Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Windows Hello for quick sign-in in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. First of all, you have to open your settings. Now go to Accounts. Now scroll down and click on Sign In Options. Here you can find three options of Windows Hello. Number 1, facial recognition, 2, fingerprint recognition, and 3, PIN. You can choose one of them, whatever you like. But here you have to give an attention about a notice that you can find a notice that this option is currently unavailable. If you find this notice in your laptop, then you can't able to use this option. You can use only that option which is available. You can see here my available option is PIN. So I have to select this option for my Windows Hello. Here I can set my PIN or change my PIN. That's it. So this is how I can enable Windows Hello for quick sign-in in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.